Ever wondered how long a goldfish can live? Well, let's dive in. In a home aquarium, a goldfish could live between 10 to 15 years, given proper care and environment. In the wild, they can live up to 25 years. Astonishing, isn't it? The oldest recorded age of a goldfish was an impressive 43 years. So, next time you see a goldfish, remember, they might just outlive your houseplants. Have you ever marveled at the intricate design of a bird's nest? Each one is a marvel of avian architecture, crafted with precision and care. Birds begin by scouting for the perfect location, considering factors like safety, proximity to food, and the surroundings. Once they've chosen their spot, they embark on a mission to gather materials. This could be anything from twigs and leaves to feathers and moss, even human-made items like string or paper. They weave these materials together, creating a cozy home for their eggs and future chicks. Different bird species build different types of nests. Some are simple, flat platforms, while others are elaborate, enclosed structures. From the tiny hummingbird's walnut-sized cup to the massive eagle's towering fortress, each nest is unique. Birds truly are nature's architects, aren't they? What do you reckon is the fastest fish in the ocean? Now let's shed some light on the ocean's speedster, the sailfish. This aquatic marvel, with its distinctive dorsal fin or sail, is no slouch when it comes to speed. In fact, it's known to reach speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. That's right, 68. Its lightning-fast agility and rapid acceleration make it a formidable hunter beneath the waves. Sailfish, the underwater bullet indeed. Have you seen squirrels burying nuts and wondered how they find them later? Well, these little creatures have a fantastic memory and a keen sense of smell. Unlike humans who might forget where they've left their keys, squirrels can remember the locations of hundreds of buried nuts. They do this by creating a mental map of their territory. But that's not all. They also have a secret weapon: scent marking. Squirrels will often leave a scent mark near their buried treasure, which acts like a homing beacon when it's time to retrieve it. These scent markers are secreted from glands on their cheeks. And just like that, they can find their nutty stash, even under a blanket of snow. So, squirrels aren't just nutty, they're quite smart too. Ever struggled to tell the difference between a wolf and a coyote? Well, you're not alone. These two creatures, while similar, have some distinct differences. Firstly, let's talk about size. Wolves are significantly larger than coyotes, with some adult wolves standing nearly 3 feet tall at the shoulder, while coyotes typically reach just over 1 foot tall. Next, their habitats. While both wolves and coyotes can be found across North America, wolves prefer colder climates and densely forested areas. Coyotes, on the other hand, are more adaptable, thriving in various environments including deserts, forests, and even urban areas. Now, on to behavior. Wolves are known for their tight-knit packs and complex social structures, whereas coyotes are more solitary creatures, often hunting alone or in small family groups. Finally, their howls. A wolf's howl is long, deep, and haunting, while a coyote's is shorter, higher-pitched, and often described as a yipping sound. Remember these differences and you'll never confuse a wolf with a coyote again. Isn't it fascinating how chameleons change color? These intriguing creatures have specialized cells called chromatophores, layered within their skin. When a chameleon experiences changes in its environment or mood, its nervous system directs these chromatophores to expand or contract. This shifts the arrangement of pigments, resulting in a visible color change. It's a survival strategy, used for communication and camouflage. So whether it's to blend in or stand out, chameleons truly are the masters of disguise and mood lighting. Do you know what the smallest bird in the world is? Allow me to introduce the bee hummingbird, a tiny wonder of nature. This diminutive dynamo weighs less than a dime and measures a mere 2.5 inches long, but don't let its size fool you. The bee hummingbird is a powerhouse, flapping its wings up to 80 times per second. It's also an expert nectar collector, visiting up to 1,500 flowers per day. The bee hummingbird, proof that great things come in small packages. Ever wondered how bees pollinate flowers? Well, let's delve into this fascinating process. Bees are nature's most industrious pollinators. They start their journey by landing on a flower, drawn in by its bright colors and sweet nectar. As the bee busily collects the nectar, it brushes against the flower's stamen, unintentionally picking up pollen. This pollen sticks to the bee's hairy body and legs. Once the bee flits off to another flower, some of this pollen rubs off onto the new flower's stigma, a part responsible for reproduction. This process, known as cross-pollination, is crucial for the growth of healthy fruit and seeds. Without bees and their pollination, our planet would look drastically different. Bees, the tireless workers that keep our world blooming. What distinguishes a moth from a butterfly? This question has sparked curiosity for ages. Let's delve into it. At first glance, moths and butterflies may seem quite similar, but look closer, and you'll see they're as different as night and day. Moths, the night owls, have a robust furry appearance with feathery or comb-like antennae. Butterflies, the day dwellers, are sleeker with slim bodies and club-tipped antennae. Moths, with their camouflage colors, blend in, while butterflies boast a vibrant palette. Their life cycles differ too. Moths cocoon themselves in a silken casing for pupation, whereas butterflies form a hard-shelled chrysalis hanging from a twig or leaf. Behaviorally, moths are drawn to light and butterflies to flowers. This affinity makes butterflies essential pollinators during the day, while moths take the night shift. With these tips, you'll never mix up a moth and a butterfly again. It's all about noticing the little details in the vast tapestry of nature. How do penguins stay warm in freezing climates? Penguins, these adorable tuxedoed birds, are champions at withstanding the harsh cold of Antarctica. These birds have developed several adaptations to keep them warm and cozy. Firstly, their feathers are densely packed and waterproof, creating an insulating layer against the cold. Beneath this, a thick layer of blubber acts as an internal heater, maintaining their body temperature. Penguins are also known to huddle together in large groups to share body heat, a behavior that's not only practical but also heartwarming to observe. Their body structure also plays a role. Penguins have a compact, streamlined shape which minimizes heat loss. So, despite living in some of the coldest conditions on our planet, penguins thrive. Penguins, the ultimate cold weather champions. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've dived into the long-lived world of goldfish, and marveled at how birds masterfully construct their nests. We've raced with the ocean's fastest fish, and followed squirrels on their nutty adventures. We've compared the wolf to the coyote, observed chameleons' color-changing magic, and glimpsed the world's tiniest bird. We've buzzed around with bees, pollinating flowers, differentiated between moths and butterflies, and braved the cold with penguins. Remember, the animal kingdom is full of surprises, and there's always more to learn.